In this video, I will be showing you how to create a TikTok account. Well, creating a TikTok account is very easy, but first you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok. So you must go to Google Play Store, install TikTok, or update TikTok. And then once done, all you have to do is to click open. So, creating a TikTok account is very easy, especially if you have or you own Facebook, Line, Instagram, or even Twitter. So you can see if I'm going to tap this TikTok, it says here sign up for TikTok, create a profile, follow other accounts that you own, videos, and more. And you can see options here like use phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. So you can also tap this login and you can see this sign up here. Now, if you're going to see or if you're going to tap the sign in, you have here options like use phone, email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google, Twitter, Line, Kakao Talk, continue with Instagram. So TikTok make it easier for you to create an account. So all you have to do is to tap any of this. Then they will ask a few information like your birthday or name or username, and that's it. Now, if I'm going to tap this use phone or email, you can log in or you can sign up using your phone. So let's just say I am going to enter my email address here. Well, you could also enter your phone if you want. So if you're going to tap or type this email address here, all you have to do is to click next. And then, yes, they will ask for your password. Then you can tap login. But like what I have said, I think it's easier for you if you sign up or log in using one of your social media platform because TikTok can easily identify or can easily know your information or know your username, your email address, your phone number if it's linked to any of the social media platforms. So I would suggest that if you want to sign up or log in using your TikTok, then you can tap any of those social media platform that you have. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.